Please put your hands together for the amazing Sat Bains, John Freeman.
The first one's like a squab pigeon, so they're fattened about 650 grams, and then we just take them off the bone. We leave the leg bone in. This is cooked from raw. We bring it up to room temperature. It takes about 2 hours. Take the thigh bone out.
So I'm just getting the garnish ready for the pigeon, sorry. So here I've got some carrots that we're roasting in brown butter with pine and thyme, and then just a little bit of tagine spice. Got some carrot puree here. So we've got a pigeon sauce here, just quickly made. And then to that we're going to add some dates, that we're going to just get a little bit of flavour by charring them on the char grill, and then we're going to add some black olives to it. Finish it with a little bit of sherry vinegar. I've taken the pigeon off. I've just glazed it with a little bit of honey and soy, and then on the grill, and toast that we're going to spread with a parfait that we've made. Here is a little bruschetta of the hearts.
So the way we presented it was very similar to what I'm doing, exactly like this.
You, chef.
So brosh out of liver and heart. We've got the leg, it's got the bone in, so it's like a lollipop. And then we've got the breast itself. Then we've got, John's got some carrots. This is the sauce made out of the bones, and we just finish it with the caramelized dates and olives. And the olives add this beautiful seasoning to it where it's quite salty, got this little saline to it, and that just adds to the dish itself. And then to finish, we've got this parfait made from some of the livers onto some sourdough. So Anjou pigeon, Moroccan spices inspired by Anna French.
This is our rocky road. So we've got, on the base, we're going to do a chocolate cream, and it's flavoured with coffee. And then to add to that, we've got Italian meringue, flavoured with pine and thyme, because that's two of the things that we grow at the restaurant. On top of that, we've got a chocolate shortbread. I've got a miso flavoured butterscotch sauce. Yeah, so you've got cherries, honeycomb. You've got an aerated milk chocolate flavoured with tobacco. And then Sat's putting on a frozen chocolate mousse. So I've just put a little bit of honey tuiles on here as well. And then the final ingredient is a granita flavoured with wood sorrel.
I think it's important that chefs of our level still give back. So we're always willing to pass it forward, hopefully inspire some young spark in some young chefs.
And the Staff Canteen Live, again, is a great opportunity for us to showcase what we do.